Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll explain from Al-Moasser book, community test number 14 to lesson 6, unit 3 in geometry. We'll talk about the prism, right prism, and cylinder also. First question, he gave me the height. We want to find the height of the right prism, whose volume was 500 cubic centimeter and the area of the base was 50 square centimeter. We know the volume equal base times the area. How about area base times height? We can write the volume equal base area times the height. This is the rule to find what? To find the volume. He gave me the volume 500. Then 500 equal base area was 50. 50 times the height. Then the height will be 500 divided by 50 equal 10. The height will be 10 centimeter. Okay, divided volume by base area. The result will be 10 centimeter. Choose letter A. Next question down. What is the number that if added to each of the number 137, they become proportional numbers? We will put the number here x, and then we can write the ratio between first and second, and also second and third, because we have three numbers. Then we can write 1 plus x over 3 plus x, and 3 plus x also over 7. Okay, and then the product of streams equal product of means. I will add x by first and middle, and third. We have 3 is the median between together, or the mean between two numbers. Then the product here 1 plus x product by 7 plus x. The product of extremes equal product of means equal 3 plus x product by 3 plus x. And then using distributive properties, 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times x equal x. Okay, using distributive properties. And then 7 times x will be 7x. And x times x equal x power 2 equal 3 times 3 equal 9. And 3 times x equal 3x. X times 3, it will be 3x. And x times x power 2. We can cancel x power 2 by x power 2. And 7 plus 7 equal 14. We have 7 here, and x plus 7x equal 8x. So equivalent to 9. And 3x plus 3x equals 6x. Next step, 7 subtract from 9 equal 2. And 6x subtract by 8x equal 2x. We can divide it by 2, then the value of x, it will be 1. Then the number will be 1. Okay? Then the answer here, number will be 1. Choose letter D. Next question here, what is the length of projection? You want to find the projection of EB on AC. I will write AC here is a straight line. I will drop it. Drop about B. Look at here. EB. A, it will be A. So the conjunct of the point A conjunct AC, because it's falling to the straight line. And the conjunct about B, look at here. If you drop from B very perpendicular to the base, then the drop will be D. Then I want to find the length of AD. Then the projection here, AD. How we can find the length of AD from Euclid's theorem? Look at with me. First step, we have 15 and 20. First step, I will find AC from Pythagoras theorem. After that, I will find AD. Okay. First step, I will find AC from Pythagoras theorem, such that we can write AC power 2 equal 20 power 2 to 15 power 2 from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we can find the length from Pythagoras theorem first. We will find AC. AC power 2 is equal to 20 power 2. It will be 400, and 15 power 2, 225. Then we can collect. The result will be 625. Then AC equals square root of 625. It will be 25 centimeters. Then the line segment here, it will be 25 centimeters. AC. Now I want to find AD, this part. How found AD? How we can find the AD here? We have here 25. I want to find this from Pythagoras, or no, from Euclid's theorem. Now we know AB power 2, right? 15 power 2 from Euclid's theorem equals the conjunct about this line segment AD product by the hypotenuse from right angle triangle ABC. The hypotenuse here was 25. Then 15 power 2, 225. We can divide it by 25 is equal AD. We can write the answer will be 9. Then AD will be 9 centimeter. Okay. The answer will be here 9 centimeter. Next question down, we have here cylinder. What is the lateral surface? We can find the lateral area of cylinder. We know the lateral area about 2 by R product by H. Okay, 2 by r, circumference of the base times the height, because base was circle. Circumference of the base 2 by r product by h, right? 2 product by constant here. He wants the answer here by using by. So the lateral area equals circumference of the base times the height. Circumference of the area equal 2 by r product by height. 2 by product by the radius. The radius here was 3 centimeter. Product by the height. Height here was 4. Then 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Then we have 24 pi square centimeter. Then the answer will be 24 pi square centimeter is the lateral area. Next question down, we want comparing between 3 sides in triangle or relation between all sides here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 relation. First step, we can find the missed number here. It will be 50 number alternating angle, and this 40, it will be 40 alternating interior angle. 40 plus 50 equal 90. Then 90 subtract from 180 equal 90 degree, because we have here a straight line. The straight line equal sum of all angles here. We called it 180. We have supplementary angle. Then the result here will be 90 degree by 840 plus 50 subtract 180. So we can comparing here between sides. First, EC will be greater than the hypotenuse in this triangle, and 50 opposite to BC is 40. 40 opposite AB. Then EC greater than BC, EC greater than BC greater than AB. Choose letter C. Solution here, letter C. Next question down here, we have relation between two sets. We have our diagram between two sets. He give me here the relation. He wants to find the order better represent R. The first from 2 and 4, and second 3 was 4, and third 4 is 5. Then we have 2 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. This is a function. Next question down, we have here right prism, right? We have here triangular prism. We can find what you want, find the lateral area. We know the lateral area equal base, here, circumference of the base times the height. Okay, you can see now, look at with me. We have here triangular prism. To find the lateral area, you must find circumference of the base times the height. How we can find circumference base? We have here the base is right angle triangle. We can write the hypotenuse of right angle triangle from fifth hour series, 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2, and the find square root of the answer. 3, 4, 5. You remember about the dimensions? 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 plus 4 equal 9 plus 4 power 2 equal 25. Because 4 power 2 equals 16. 16 plus 9 equal 25. 25 power 2 square root of 25 will be 5 centimeter. Then the lateral area equal 5 plus 4 plus 3. Circumference or perimeter of the base product by the height. Lateral height will be 5. Then 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5 equals 60. Then the area will be 60 square centimeter. Now, we want to prove that in this figure here, relation between AD and EE. We want to prove that AD here is greater than EE. First step, we have here two straight line parallel, and the two straight line intersection together. So we have corresponding angle here. First step, such that we have ED was parallel to CB, okay, and EC straight line, EC and the straight line EB are transversal. Are transversal together. They are transversal. This transversal, this transversal. The measure of angle E equal measure of angle C. Then measure of angle E is equal to measure of angle C, and also measure of angle B equal measure of angle D. Okay, he gave me relation between EB greater than EC, and also such that EB was greater than EC. What's the meaning this? Look at here. If we have EB greater than EC, look at here in this triangle. What's the relation? The opposite angle of EB is greater than the measure of angle. What is the opposite of EB? The opposite of EB was C. Then the measure of angle C is greater than the opposite of EC. Where EC? EC here. The opposite angle will be B. Okay? then the measure of angle C greater than angle B in triangle ABC. Okay, this relation number here, number 1, and this number 2, and this number 3. What you will find here, look, he give me this information. In the example, I found measure of angle C greater than angle B. Measure of angle C is greater than angle B. The measure of angle F, or this angle E, greater than angle D, because C equal E and D equal B. D equal B. C greater than B, then E greater than D. We write from relation number 1 and 2 and 3. We can write measure of angle E is greater than measure of angle D. So, in a small triangle AED, in this triangle, we can write the relation between two sides, E greater than D, then the opposite line segment ED here will greater than the opposite of angle D. Angle D opposite EE. Okay, understood? This is a brief voice example. Then ED greater than EE. Okay, my students, it's last question about credit assessment number 14. Okay, goodbye.